Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28553T. This one is black in color. It does have the fog lights down here in the front bumper. Nice chrome Ram, huge right there in the front grille. Continuing on with chrome 20-inch wheels. I like the look of those wheels myself. Got more chrome badging here. Painted mirrors with turning signals in the mirrors, actually. These are power heated mirrors and power folding. So we got power folding heated mirrors, power windows, and power locks. We got premium cloth seating. It does have a design here in the seat. A very integrated center console. Got two cup holders here. Spot for your money. I call this the junk spot myself. This thing slides back and forth. Pretty deep inside of there. Now you can't really tell with the camera. This spot's designed to help you like a mobile office, essentially. Got a charge port here. It's big enough for a tablet, or if you want to put a couple cell phones in here. We've also got space up here in the front. This center console is just really nice. Two spots for phones here with charge cables. We got the CD player, 5 auxiliary options, tow haul, and traction control. We got your climate controls here, volume and tune on your 8.4-inch Uconnect radio that allows you to control everything from changing your radio stations to your backup camera, as well as climate options. 4-wheel drive, turn knob shifter. We have the cruise control, gear limit controls, hands-free options, and gauge cluster controls. On the back of the steering wheel, we have options this allows you to control presets as well as volume on the other side. Rubber slush mats seems to be very popular these days. Let's take a look in the back seat here. Pretty spacious back seat. Let me fold this one up too. Even if you need to haul something in here and keep it dry versus putting it in the bed where it's maybe raining that day or something. Take a look under the floor mat here. Ram continued to put their little storage box in here that is removable, making it perfect to keep you hydrated on the road. If you wanted to make it into a cooler. Let's fold these seats back down effortlessly. This does have a power sliding rear window. Forgot to mention that while I was up front. Nice black inside of the Bighorn badging. We got a actual hitch here. It is set up to tow. 4-pin. Backup camera. Take a look in the bed there. Really confident this is going to be a great truck for Ram, this whole new redesign. I think they did an excellent job. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28553T. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.